bitten by that thing. Is that a Hong Kong butterfly? No, that.
Dan, kuha na kuha!
That's just a duck. I gotta be a duck. No, it's not a dead leaf. Look, it's flying. Yeah, I don't want to become a coward. Me too. But if we're a coward, we can't really do it. Yeah, we gotta face our big fear. Okay! Ah! Daddy!
Ilapag mo lang dyan. Pag-ipon-ipunin mo.
Bato ko po sa'yo.
Pag-ipon-ipunin mo, Kem-Kem.
Bye-bye. Look at her
O, next time kayo na papakunin ko dito.
feet! Bro, this is the second. Look at her feet, man. Bro, if you stop, you will not stay. I just not moving.
Hindi naman tayo nagnanakaw eh. Para to sa ano.
Bakit malapit po to sa bahay ng isang tao?
Ano to? Public to. Sa gobyerno to. Tingin nyo, nagnanakaw tayo?
Yes. Daddy, look, I got a big one.
Good job.
Ah! Get up! No! Timmy, it's the world lotus.
Why? It's not lotus. It's water
Bro,
spinach.
you're stepping on a big one. Stepping on a world lotus right now? Daddy!
Mapaproud si mami niyan.
Napaproud ka, sobrang ano ko nga, kadumi. I just wanna play with you because you're my baby boy.
Alam mo bang magkano yung ganyan? 20 pesos?
Per one?
O pag nakasampu kaya di meron ka ng 200 pesos? Mabebenta natin yan. Damihan nyo. Hindi.
This is 10 pesos.
Diyos ko.
This is 10 petot.
Piso lang yan. Di pa bibilhin.
Hey, Daddy. What about this one? Hey, it looks like a daisy.